Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Kajal long-lasting. Start with a clean canvas. Gently cleanse your eyelids to remove any oils or makeup residue, ensuring a fresh surface. Next, apply a thin, even layer of an eye primer. This creates a smooth base for your Kajal and helps it adhere better. Finish by lightly dusting a translucent compact powder over your primed lids to set everything and absorb any excess moisture, which is key for longevity. For application, begin by applying your Kajal to the waterline using short, gentle strokes. This builds up the color gradually and prevents smudging. For extra definition, try tightlining your upper lash line by wiggling the Kajal between your lashes. Finally, lightly dab a matching black or dark brown eyeshadow over the Kajal with a small, flat brush to lock it in place for hours. The right products make all the difference. Always choose a Kajal that is specifically labeled as waterproof and smudge-proof. These formulas are designed for extended wear. Look for a creamy, highly pigmented texture that glides on effortlessly without tugging. A fine-tipped, angled brush can also be incredibly useful for precise application and for gently smudging the Kajal for a softer look. To maintain your flawless Kajal throughout the day, try to avoid rubbing your eyes, as this is the quickest way to cause smudging. Keep a few cotton swabs handy for any minor cleanups or to sharpen your lines. If you need a refresh after several hours, a quick, light reapplication of Kajal to the waterline can instantly revive your intense eye look.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.